Macie Brooke, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make 2-ingredient slime without glue or borax or any saline solution or baking soda. I hope you like this video. So what I first did is I took the Model Magic out of the container and started working it with my hands. Then when I was ready, I took some of the lotion and put it over the Model Magic. Then I started kneading it with my hands. So you guys are probably wondering, how does this work and what's different about Model Magic and when you add lotion to it? Well, it stretches more. Like Model Magic does stretch at the beginning, but it doesn't stretch as much. And so this makes it have more of a softer slimy consistency. So yeah, so I'm adding the lotion to it. You guys are also probably wondering where I got the Model Magic. And I got it from our nearest Michael's, but I think you can get them at other grocery and craft stores too. If you're unable to get Model Magic, you can probably use any other air dry clay. Those should work. I hope you guys loved this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I wanted to make a big shout out to Maggie Brooke. Thank you so much for liking my videos and subscribing.